Alright guys, so we have another Pokemon card opening. Got 4 packs this time. Still the evolution packs, just like last time. Had okay luck with them, figure I'd try it again. Start off by giving you guys the code each time. Hope I have a little bit better lighting this time. I know you could barely see in the last video, sorry about that. Metapod. Item. Electabuzz. Weedle. Ugh. Decent beginning. Not a big thrill pack right there. Alright. Code. Maybe this second pack will give me a bigger thrill than that. Pikachu. Oh, I like those ones. What in the mother of what? I don't even know what this is. It's gotta be something. Well, I'll have to look that one up, or maybe in the comments someone let me know. That's gotta be something. Put that to the side. Nice. Well, I got something. Because these will just be bonus packs. Let's see what we got here. Oops, sorry. Good old Charmander. Ooh, a shiny energy, that'll help. Yeah, it looks like the old school shinies I used to get when I was a kid. Huh, I like that. Nostalgia. I don't know what the difference is between a full shiny Pokemon and just a holographic behind. I don't know if it's a big difference or... Oh god, who knows? I'm sure... No, what a statement. I'm sure one person knows, or many people besides me. Shiny Weedle, woo! Well, you know, it looks nice. Mewtwo! Huh. Not shiny or anything, but a Mewtwo. Cool. Alright. Again, what is this guy? Who are you? Who are you? I mean, I know it's from Champ. Oh, it's in a break. Alright. Look that up. Hitmonchan old school style. Like it. Well, that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like or comment or, hell, even subscribe.